Cracking the Clean Beauty Code, Unveiling the Secrets of Skincare Ingredients. Welcome back, skincare enthusiast. In this video, we embark on an exciting journey to crack the code of clean beauty by unraveling the secrets behind skincare ingredients. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of natural antioxidants, botanical extracts, bioactive compounds, and soothing emollients that make up the foundation of clean beauty products. Gain a deeper understanding of what goes into your skincare products and learn how to make informed choices. 5. Are you puzzled by the ingredients listed on your skincare products? Fear not. In this video, we delve into the world of clean beauty and unravel the mysteries behind those complex ingredient names. Get ready to unlock a treasure trove of knowledge and gain a deeper understanding of what goes into your beloved skincare products. 6. As we embark on this journey of ingredient exploration, we'll break down the terminology that often leaves us scratching our heads. From botanical extracts to cutting-edge actives, we'll shine a spotlight on the key players in the world of clean beauty. 7. But it doesn't stop there. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty details, uncovering the purpose and benefits of each ingredient. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the hidden powers of natural antioxidants, soothing emollients, and innovative bioactive compounds that work wonders for your skin. 8. Throughout this video, we'll interweave short and long sentences to keep you engaged and captivated. No more dry, technical jargon. We'll infuse uncommon terminology to add a touch of uniqueness and excitement to the conversation. 9. By the end of this insightful journey, you'll possess the knowledge and confidence to navigate the aisles of skincare products with ease. No longer will you feel overwhelmed by ingredient labels or dubious claims. Instead, you'll be equipped with the tools to make informed choices and embrace the power of clean beauty. 10. So, join me in decoding the clean beauty revolution and unlocking the secrets behind the ingredients in your skincare products. Don't miss out on this transformative experience that will elevate your skincare routine to new heights of understanding and efficacy. 11. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more captivating content that uncovers the mysteries of the beauty world. Together, let's embark on a journey towards radiant and informed skincare choices. Stay tuned for part 2.